What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to attempt to get a 40-inch spare into the factory tire location. Can we do it? Stay tuned. What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching. Step one, remove the valve stem. Take all the air out. All right, two giant 3,000 working load limit, 10,000 pound brake, ratchet straps, pull the valve stem out, valve core, excuse me, so that way air can leak out when you compress it. Give this thing maybe one more click, and this should clear the track bar, and the front, this should clear the rear bumper slash hitch, but we're gonna find out in a minute. Leave space here in the middle for the jack to feed through. Step two is position your spare tire hoist, jack, whatever you want to call it, in between the two ratchet straps and begin lifting. Okay. As you lift it up into the air, you're gonna want to probably start with it angled down towards the front like this, so you can get this side up, and then if you need to compress the front anymore with the straps, you can, to clear the track bar. But if you put this end in second, then you're toast, because this side is not really getting compressed nearly as much, only a tiny bit compared to the front. So we're gonna hoist this thing up a little bit more and then take a look at what the track bar is doing in the front. What's up, guys? If you find this video helpful in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. All right, so you can see that we would have clearance on the driver's side, but the passenger side we don't. So we're gonna move this strap over a few more inches that way and then retighten it down. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Probably easier than the 38, because I was strapping it to the trailer hitch safety chain loops. That is a 40-inch by 1350 R20 mounted in the factory spare tire location. Look at that. And now it's not permanent, obviously. I just kind of hung the straps up there, the loose ends, the tails there. But this is officially going to be how we run a 40. It's not even debeating. It's a little bit crushed, as you can see here. And I'll show you. It's got a little space on the bead right here. But I'm not worried about that. That's not enough to make a difference. As soon as I pop this thing out, it'll spring back. And then here, tiny bit of gap there, and then maybe up here, but not really. And look at how much space I have from the track bar. More space than I've ever had. Look at that. Totally clear of the track bar. Now it is wedged up against the track bar mount, but so was the 38. And it was also wedged up against the tow hook frame mount right there, and a tow hook frame mount right there. But it actually is clear of the rear bumper, and it's no longer crushing my license plate, which is pretty sweet. So even if we were going back to 38s, this is definitely how I would mount it. I would definitely crush it down like this, as opposed to leaving 3 or 4 pounds of air in it. It's clear of the hitch slider as well, so it's not, I don't have to worry about losing my lugs. Like on the other tire, we would occasionally chip some of the lugs on the hitch slider. Here it's completely clear, and it is, maybe we lost maybe a ½ an inch of ground clearance in the back. It's still way higher than the diff, but yeah, this is legit. I can't believe this. I am thoroughly stunned. I don't have to have a spare tire mount swing away that weighs like 100 pounds and hangs off like this far off the back. We can now just keep the exact same setup as our 38s, but with the 40s. I got to order another tire. Let's do it.
10 seconds, it says.